Popular actor Tommy Tiny Lister, who plays Debo in Friday, passed away at his home at age 62. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and I'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the what? Scoop. Hope and trust that you're doing fine wherever you are watching in the world right now. Much respect, much love goes out to you. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the movement of Links 007 TV. Alright, so on a bit of sad note coming up on the program is that Tommy Tiny Lester, a professional actor, a professional wrestler, who had cemented his name right across the world. Sad to say he passed away at age 62. Details surrounding the passing though still remain sketchy. However, we have the latest update to bring to you as it relates to that. But before we divulge the details of that, we just wanted to talk a little bit about what is going on in the world. For this year, we have lost so much of our great stars, our musicians, our actors, and most of this is due to the pandemic of the coronavirus, and some of them are just through natural causes. This has been a year that have left us with so much devastation, so much sadness, and so much pain, and so much unfortunate news to deal with. But with the latest one now to bring to you, this came as a shock to the world. It came as a shock to the acting and also the entertainment fraternity, as no one was not expecting this to have happened to this individual. So this was basically a sudden death, and his fans right across the world have took to social media just in order to express their condolences to the family and friends of the late professional actor and also former professional wrestler. So we're going to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you as to what really transpired in this case. So Tommy Tiny Lester, a former professional wrestler who was known for his bullying Debo character in Friday film, has died. He was age 62. Lester's manager, Cindy Cohen, said that he was found unconscious in his Miranda Del Rey, California home on Thursday afternoon. He was pronounced dead at the scene. Cohen said that Lester was diagnosed with the COVID-19 earlier this year. She said that he overcome the virus. However, he complained of breathing problem recently and had trouble breathing just before his death. The cause of his death has still not yet been ascertained. However, the coroner's office is carrying out an investigation. According to his manager, he had a smile, and a big one, and he was like a giant. However, he was still loved by many right across the world. His death has left the whole entire movie fraternity in shock and has sent his fans into an emotional state who would have loved and loved his movie for many years. Lester started his career as a pro wrestler standing at 6 foot 5 inches with broad shoulders at 275 pounds. His earlier roles include HBO football series First and 10th, along with the movie appearance in Beverly Hills Cop 2, which starred Eddie Murphy, and No Holds Barred. This took place in 1989 film, where he was the character who played a wrestling role as well. So as news spread of the passing of this great star, a number of other actors, comedians, and just well-wishers took to social media just in order to express their condolences to the family and friends of the late actor. The actor, who was blind in his right eye from birth, wrestled Hogan in the World Wrestling Federation in an actual match after No Holds Barred film was released. He also had a short stint in World Championship Wrestling under the name Z Gangster. However, Lester's most notable role came in the film in 1995 Friday, and its sequential 5 years later. He portrayed the role of Debo, a falcon who was known as the neighborhood bully who traumatized his neighbors in intimidation and fear. His character is known for the infamous line, "Get kicked out like your father used to." So that's just the latest we have to bring to you as it relates to the passing of this great actor, Tommy Tiny Lester, gone too soon. This is Links 007 TV, and we here just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to the family and friends of this late actor. This is where we're going to leave this one for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Out for this one. Peace out. Bless.